You need the second camera, but they're so expensive. All the webcams are expensive right now due to COVID. And if you need an adapter for a camera you already have, HDMI to USB, they are extremely expensive. It's actually sometimes costing the same as the camera itself. So the best solution is use your own phone. There are great ways to do it. The way I prefer to do it, I use iPhone. I just connect the iPhone directly with the cable to the computer, and I use an app called Shoot Clean Camera Feed. I love it. One of the things I love the most about it is it uses a cable. It's not wirelessly, it has zero lag, and it shows you the full camera feed. There's nothing on it. You don't see the record button, you don't see the photo and all the rest of the time. It's very, very clear, simple, zero lag, and it's perfect as your second camera. Let's say you do classes, you teach piano or guitar, you want to have one camera on you, the other camera close up or maybe overhead. This is the best. I use it overhead. I'm a magician, so every time I need to do something overhead, I use that. You can split the screen. I use it with Ecamm Live. You can use it with OBS and some other programs as well. I do have to say it comes only for iOS. It doesn't work for Android as far as I know. And the only disadvantage I found is that if you need to have your phone vertical, then it will not adjust to vertical. So only horizontal, that's the only way you can use it. And the best part about it, it's only $3.99, and you don't have to spend like 300 bucks just on an adapter to have your camera connected to your computer. That's nuts. And let me tell you, it's almost the same quality. Sometimes it is the same quality depending on the camera you have. Actually, I'm about to do a video to show the comparison between this and just a professional 4K camera and the FaceTime camera, and let's see if you can see the difference. Let me show you a quick demonstration. So I use this cable. I use it as a second camera, overhead camera. I use an iPhone 7 connected here. Let me just go to my second camera here, and boom, there we go. You should be able to see it right now. There we go. I use Ecamm with this, by the way. You can use whatever app that you're using. You can use it with OBS as well. Now, the only disadvantage is it has only one orientation, so it doesn't adapt to anything else, okay? So if you want to hold it vertically, it will not adjust, okay? So you might, if you use it with OBS, you can solve it by just flipping it on OBS. Unfortunately, on Ecamm, I don't know why they didn't find a way to just do 90 degrees flip. That would be great. Ecamm, if you guys can do it, would help a lot. So there you go. It's only $3.99. Very easy to use. Just connect and put it on. Now let me show you the difference between this and the phone camera. So the phone camera is great, but you see all the overlays on top of it. So you see the photo and the video and all that. So it just, you don't want to have this on the screen. So for this, there we go, boom, let's put back shoot camera clean. So it's just the whole thing you can have there. And right now I'm not even sure it's showing you the whole thing because you have me. So let me just remove myself here. There you go. Let me just remove the overlay as well. Okay, and there you go. That's full camera feed right there. Now it, as you see now, it's because I'm moving, so it goes out of focus. So you can pinch, you can click on the center, and it's going to focus on whatever it is that you want. Okay, there we go. So it has a very good quality. And I use it as overhead camera. All right. So there you have it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell so you are notified every time I have a new video. Until next time, Alan Chamo here, helping entertainers and speakers in their virtual journey.